Okay, good morning, class. Morning. Okay, so as you can see today, this is going to be a 2-day video recording. I just want to let you know that. So as you can see, first open ticket. We're going to review your mind map. Hopefully you got that done. And then we are going to start with introduction paragraph. We're going to focus on the hook and the bridge. And then next time we will work on more of the bridge and the thesis statement because it is quite important. Okay, so first let's go with the open ticket here. All right, so let's first start with open ticket. Very easy one. If you have your phone, all it is last time we talked about graphic organizers. So if you have host live, okay, fine. Log in. Okay, yeah, I haven't used this in a long time, so hopefully it works. Should be this one. Fine. Yeah, continue. All right, I know you all have a phone and everything, so very simple. One. All right. But it's okay. It's okay for graphic organizers. So if you remember, graphic organizers can be very, very helpful with to organize your ideas for planning. All right. So I also remember uploaded a quiz. Hopefully you did it. It's due the end of this week, Friday. Okay. And also, one thing I forgot to mention is for the planning, there is a 4-step one, remember, where you talk about the thesis statement first, and then the 3, which is the topic paragraphs for what would be considered the body. Okay? Sorry, I forgot to mention that. But let's quickly review your mind map that I told you to finish last time. Everyone, show me your mind map that you did last week. Very good. Kayang. Yanhua, excellent. Oh, Tegum. You went above and beyond the Call of Duty. Excellent. All right, Jiyoung, good. Sungbin, where's yours? You lost it? Oh my God, Sungbin, why are you not finished? Good. Good, nice and detailed, Ju. Oh, very nice. How about yours? Well, we're going to just focus on the top half of the hamburger bun, as we call it, or the sandwich, which is the hook, bridge, and thesis. We're going to go more in depth on this and break it down. Not hip-hop style, though. All right, so first one is the hook. Again, remember, the hook is actually the first, usually 1 or 2 sentences. Yes. Okay. So, okay. The first 1 or 2 sentences, it's to grab the reader's attention. This is, you would say, the most important part. If you don't, time, my energy to read your writing. Just imagine you write something that you're interested in, but possibly not your readers. All right, so let's say you want to write a thing about K-pop demon hunters and connect that with the culture of Korea. Even though it was created by Sony, which is a Japanese company. So you could start with the hook saying, K-pop demon hunters, produced by a Japanese company, Sony, even though it's Korean. All right? All right, first one, a thought-provoking declaration or something you say, okay? So, here's an example. Can you read it for me, Tigum? What does it say for the example? No, procrastination example on the bottom. Procrastination, it is
something that we are all
hook I put here, different hook types, which we are going to do right now. Okay, it's not due until tomorrow. You can do that later, okay? It's due tomorrow. Don't do it now. All right? What we are going to do is pull this one up. Hook. All right, let's see. I gave you this worksheet. Hook. So, if you remember an introduction hook, again, it's kind of a quick recap, an amazing detail of facts. Again, be careful not to use it too much. Statistics. Let's do a quick hands up, very easy one. Okay, so for the hook, all right, let's see, where is it? Okay. So for the hook, let's see here. So just raise your hand, you can only do it once. So who chose amazing detail or fact? Raise your hand. About 3. All right, let's write this on the board. Wow, this pen's not working. DT/fact. We have 3 people. Okay, how many people? The bridge. Think of a bridge. What does a bridge do? Like, let's say, like not the mic. Yeah.
Next roads to roads.
Connect one road to another road, or one side of a place to another side of a place. Okay. So think of. Remember, you have the hook. You have the thesis. There's nothing in here, so you have to have a bridge. All right. This is the bridge to connect. All right. So if we look here, the bridge is to switch from the hook to the thesis statement, to connect. Remember, transitions are Okay, so now we are moving on to the thesis statement. The notes. So this is by far the most important in the introduction, is the thesis. And usually, we'll go more in depth, it's the glue that holds the entire essay, and the answer is the prompt. What is the prompt that they have to answer? Oh, sorry, my boy. Hey, where's your paper? Under the right circumstances, procrastination can increase one's focus, motivation, and creativity. So, in paragraph 1, what should be in paragraph 1? Xiong, what do you think should be in paragraph 1? If you're looking at the thesis statement, what should it focus on? Body paragraph 1.
Procrastination can increase one's focus.
So the key word is
Mechanical difficulties.
All right, so it's actually C. Very good. Number 3. Most people would think it's 2. Is a mysterious origin region, claims of strange occurrences, evidenced by its history. So it talks about our 1800s theories. Where's the theory? All right, and secrets. We don't know, so, but C would be the most logical because it's more specific. C, B or 2 is very too vague. So when you do a thesis statement, it needs to be very, very specific.
Spinning funnel flows usually at about 10 minutes but has high winds that can cause severe destruction wherever they go.
Wherever they go. Very good. Now you have E, F, G again. Or 1, 2, 3. This actually, a tornado actually literally said last week when the storms came, Nimbin province had a tornado. Did you know that? Yes, a tornado came and 11 people died. Alright, you're gonna watch, and I'm gonna randomly give this mouse to someone and get to choose the answer. Alright, so pay careful attention. That's all about thesis. What?
What?
What? Alright, so you need to type in your own answer. What do you think is a thesis statement? Type. Yeah. What is a thesis statement, do you think? No. Okay. All right. Main point. Where is my mouse? Press. Okay, I got it here. Evidence. Okay. Let's check. All right.
Here we go. 3 steps to write a thesis statement. Step 1. We need to come up with a research question. So a research question would be, what were the main factors that led to the result of the 2016 Brexit referendum? If you want to know how to formulate a strong research question, I have a video on that as well. Step 2. Find a tentative answer to the research question you came up with in step 1. Since we're taking an argumentative approach here, the answer should take a strong position on the topic. So something like this. Brexit was driven by political...
Okay. All right. Sentence up 2. June. Okay. Okay, wrong time. Okay. So.